Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to delete all likes that you made to any video on YouTube. YouTube an application where you can watch some videos or even upload videos. Now go through your phone to find the YouTube application. Next press on your account. Then go to Settings. Press where it's written History and Privacy. Press on Manage All Activity. Then wait for it to load and scroll to press on the three dots. Press on Other Google Activity. Scroll to find YouTube likes and dislikes. You should be able to see all videos that you liked and disliked. Now press on the three dots, then on Delete All, then delete. All likes and dislikes should be removed. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.